Hello, and welcome to this video on working with the Projects menu in MUSE Automator. We will begin by opening the hamburger menu in MUSE Automator by clicking on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the application. The top entry of this menu should be Projects. If you do not have projects at the top of your menu, this is likely because you have not installed Git. Please pause this video and watch and follow along with our video on installing MUSE Automator before you continue. With the hamburger menu open, mouse over Projects and you should see New, Open, and Project Settings. This video will focus on New and Open. We will discuss project settings in a later video. To create a new project, select New from the slide-out menu. This will open the project window to the Create Project tab. Next, give your project a name in the Project Name field. This field will only accept letters, numbers, underscores, and hyphens. Blank spaces in the project name are not allowed. If you would like, use the description field to create a short description of your project. The Flow File field allows you to change the default file name of your project's flows. It is important to remember that whatever file name is entered into the field, it must end in .json. For this example, we will be using the default flow file name of flows.json for this project. The last available option is Credentials. In the current version of MUSE Automator, the credential encryption option is not supported, so the Disable Encryption option must be used. Now press Create Project for the new project to be created and loaded into MUSE Automator. This project is now ready for you to start adding nodes to your canvas. To open an existing project, we will go back to the hamburger menu, mouse over Projects, and select Open. This will open the Projects window to the Open Project tab. This shows a list of all projects your installation of MUSE Automator currently has access to. Mouse over an existing project and you will notice that the trash can icon appears to the right of the project name. This can be used to delete projects from the computer. Select the project that you would like to open from the list and press the Open Project button. The project will now be loaded into MUSE Automator. That's it for this video. For more news and product information, visit us at our website at amx.com. For troubleshooting tips, FAQs, and code examples, visit our Anytime Help Center at help.harmonpro.com.